So another question to ask yourself is, what are permitted development rights as far as HMOs are concerned, houses of multiple occupation? Well, if you are looking to convert a C3 residential dwelling to a C4 HMO, which is a small HMO for up to 6 tenants, not tenancies, 6 tenants, then yes, you have permitted development rights to do that conversion. And as far as Coventry is concerned, at the end of August 2023, you have permitted development rights. And up to the point at which Article 4 is introduced, on the 20th of September, you have permitted development rights to convert your property from a C3 residential to a C4 small HMO. Now, when Article 4 is introduced, this removes this permitted development right, which means that you need to apply for planning permission to allow you to convert your property from a C3 to a C4. So when you're doing your due diligence, so for example, if your strategy is you're new to Coventry and new to the area, and your strategy is I want to buy a property, I want to convert it from a C3 to a C4 and then let it out as a HMO. This is part of your due diligence. Wherever you're buying, is there an Article 4 in place, an Article 4 direction in place in the area that you're buying? Because this will scupper, or could, and will likely, if we're honest with you, scupper your chances of that particular strategy. Now, as far as once the Article 4 starts on the 20th of September, you will need to apply for planning permission. And this is an assumption because it's never been in Coventry before, but based upon what other councils' attitudes are towards HMOs, in the fact of that there's more work that potentially they need to do for refuse collection, or whether it be antisocial behaviour, a number of different areas, the councils see that. And in addition to that, their perception is that there's an oversupply of HMOs in cities. And this is why they introduced the Article 4. But you then have to apply for planning permission. So the likelihood is it won't be overly easy to get this planning permission. So do bear these things in mind as far as Coventry is concerned, an investment.